Oh my gosh, Jamie, how did you do
I
that?
feel so bad for you.
I think it's got it. It's not tipping over. It's like tangled up on something.
Did you just laugh?
Yeah, let's get Andrew's net.
Andrew, he got a seagull.
James, if I get...
You guys are not allowed.
Oh my god!
It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. Hold on.
I know what to do. I actually got.
Hold on. You got it like all the way around. It's okay. It's okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Somebody, here, bite that. If I get bit, James.
It will help with the story. I got it.
No, Andrew got it, Mom.
No, I don't want it unhooked.
He's banana. Mom, look at him.
Hold on, buddy.
Yeah, I know how to do it. So where's?
Hold on.
Yeah, don't worry. And you don't want to kill the bird, Mom.
Ow!
Wait, you want to play
Oh,
football?
dang.
Grab his neck.
Where's
It's like wrapped all the way around.
We're gonna
his
play
wing.
football
Look.
after this. Is that
Yeah, we're gonna play football after this.
You know, you might just want to clip it. I can give
Ow!
you.
Ow!
I tried
Hold on.
this year.
Hold on, I'm helping you. Frick, dude. It's like, there you go, there you go. You got it.
Okay, where is it hooked?
I don't want to accidentally bite me.
Ow, James, if he bites my finger off, I'm gonna, like... Hold on, hold on.
Wait, you just grab his neck, Mom.
Why is there? There's an inline spinner tied to my neck.
It's mine.
Hold on.
Jasper, I mean, guys, this is way more important.
Oh, Jasper! I found
Hold on.
It came out of nowhere. I was looking the other way.
Oh my god, it's like wrapped around him so many times, guys.
You might just want to.
Even if we cut it, dude, it's wrapped around him. Like a lot.
He just bit my leg.
Here, help try to...
He just bit my leg, guys. Isn't this illegal?
Yes, this is very illegal.
Okay,
That's what I
it's
thought.
not our fault, guys.
Yeah.
Hey,
We're-
if you tell, we're suing you.
We're not
I'm not
trying
gonna.
to hurt him.
Yeah, guys,
Hey, you
we're not
best
trying to
not.
hurt him.
Just trying to get him free.
I'm
now
gonna
at
take a
this point.
picture. Oh my god.
I'm videoing.
Sorry I said that.
What?
Um,
What'd you say?
nothing. That word again.
Or?
Dude, it's like wrapped
Whoa, he
around
feels
his,
so
like,
soft.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's okay.
Where is he actually hooked?
I don't know.
Hopefully he's just wrapped around and he's
I
not
think
actually
it's just
hooked.
wrapped around.
That was his fault.
Yeah, where's the hook?
Yeah, it was.
Did he go for the worm?
No, James just
Yes, he
passed
did.
out. Oh, did he?
He went for the big weight that was flying.
Hold on. He's like almost free.
Stop.
how this happens.
Good, ready?
Did you just...
Wow.
Imagine he just popped into the water and died.
James, look.
Imagine just
Alright, guys, let's go.